attempting this kind of problem, the very first piece of information we need to know is for the given molecule, we need to calculate the hydrogen deficiency index. So what it is? The hydrogen deficiency index tells about the presence of a double bond or a ring or any other heteroatom that are present in the molecule. Now how to do that? The formula is 2C plus 2 minus of hydrogen divided by 2. What does this C imply? It talks about the number of carbons that are present in the ring. As far as this example is concerned, there are around 4 carbons. Therefore 2 into 4 plus 2, and there are around 10 hydrogens. Therefore 10 divided by 2. Now we haven't discussed about the oxygen. See, in an organic molecule, most often there are 3 kinds of heteroatoms that may present. One is nitrogen member or its family member, or maybe oxygen or its family members, or the fluorine or its family members. For the halogens, that is fluorine members, if it is present, you have to add +1 to the hydrogen deficiency index formula. If it is oxygen, we don't want to do any correction, so the value would be simply 0. As far as nitrogen family, the value should be -1. Now luckily our molecule contains heteroatom oxygen, therefore we need not to do any correction, so we simply add the value. So according to hydrogen deficiency index, the overall value 4 into 2 8 plus 2 10 minus of 10 0. So what it signifies? It tells that there is no ring or a double bond is present. That is what it means. Now coming into the signal, there are 2 signals possible, right? There are 2 signals possible. So meaning there are only 2 kinds of protons are present. First one is singlet that accounts for 9 protons, resonates at the upfield region 1.28. So 1.28 and 3 sets of protons could be a possible methyl. Therefore, we make a logical guess there is a methyl, and this methyl is connected to a carbon, and that carbon did not have any proton at all, hydrogen nuclei at all. That's why the methyl shows a singlet. And now I can say there are 3 such methyl groups are associated. That is why all the protons, that is 9 methyl protons, are resonate at the same chemical shift value, that is 1.28, and all are singlet because this carbon does not have any proton at all. Now what is the other signal? The other signal is 1.35, that is meant for 1 proton, and it is de-shielded. Why? Because the chemical shift value is 1.35, somewhat right towards 1.28, so it is de-shielded. Therefore there is 1 oxygen for which I have to assign, and there is 1 proton because there are hydrogen 10 and I have counted only for the 9. Therefore I can make a logical guess of it could be a hydroxyl proton. So when it is an hydroxyl proton, now this structure is very much consistent with the data that are being given. Therefore the name of the molecule for this structures is 2-methyl 2-propanol. Thank you very much.